not true.
Okay. It's okay. Don't tell a lie, okay?
Oh no, they died.
Your ramen is here. Ramen na yan?
Oh, hindi. Ramen.
It's not my
Ramen
ramen.
ba yan?
It's not my ramen. Because it's spicy. Because this is spicy. I'll mix it for you.
No. Ethan, no touch.
Why?
No touch.
But I
Don't
want to
spice
mix
it a bit.
this. The ramen's ready.
Spicy din pala sa'yo?
Oo. Okay.
Instant ramen.
Gusto mo na ito, babe?
Oh, hindi. Oh,
I
sige,
have more.
kainin ko yan.
Yes. Yes. No, I'll eat these.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes. I'm sure.
It's hot, pa.
Mango juice. Mango juice.
Ethan, no? Look. Choose. Choose.
Ito na lang siguro.
Ano lang siguro, malaki-laki.
Malaki-laki. Yun lang naman masarap yun. Kasi ito, apple to. Laki ito na lang.
Yan na lang.
Kasi
It was not true.
okay. It's okay. Don't tell a lie, okay?
Oh no, they died.
Your ramen is here. Ramen na yan?
Oh, hindi. Ramen.
It's not my
Ramen ba
ramen.
yan?
It's not my ramen. Because it's spicy. Because this is spicy. I'll mix it for you.
No. Ethan, no touch.
Why?
No touch.
But I
Don't
want to
spice
mix
it a bit.
this. The ramen's ready.
Spicy din pala sa'yo?
Oo. Okay.
Instant ramen.
Gusto mo na ito, babe?
Oh, hindi. Oh,
I
sige,
have more.
kainin ko yan.
Yes. Yes. No, I'll eat these.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes. I'm sure.
It's hot, pa.
Gross.
Alright. We got 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, got it. Which one? Which one can I choose? This one for me.
Yummy.
Not sour.
Like this one?
I choose that.
Like it first.
Yummy.
Delicious. That's so sweet.
Guys, kakain kami dito sa Korean food. Ito yung mga vlogger di. Ay, Mami Malia in Japan. Ito si Jin Mangayon. Ang kaano natin.
Di ko marami ito. See?
Iyain ko sa ano, sa Wednesday, sa ano, sa, kung mag-swimming tayo ngayon. Iyain natin. Ayan yung mga kiddos namin, oh. Malalaki na yung mga kiddos namin dito. Ang aming big boy.
There's ice.
Ayan, dumating na yung kay ate. Kay Jen Manggayon, guys.
Hello, kain tayo.
I'm better than you.
And, grabe ba? Laki na dyan. Dako na dyan. Yeah, you're hungry na. Okay.
Right? This one is right. That is almost everything. You can share. Oh no, you don't have enough money. And money, man. Si Noah, man.
Uy, ako ba ito gibitan si ate Nets Food? Na daw bi kay kuan man. Naman si trabaho good sis? And dumating na ang food. Manitan.
How did you cut in? What in your bag? Kiss. Yeah. Lettuce. Probably gonna lettuce.
Dito ano ka ta camera? Mia, picture Mia. 1, 2, 3. Dako ano jud kay? Dako no kay sila ba? Liwat kasi mo oh, si Rose Cafe kasi mo ha. Dako na kaya mga anak guys, isa sa katuig wala makita aning mga bataa. Pero yang ginikan, yang mama, sige makita sa mama.
It's spicy for me. Let's eat that. I really like that. I'm eating this one.
In order ko guys, tinanggal ko yung ano, tamago. Ay, ano, itlog. Itlog. Kain na tayo guys. Mainit-init pa. Ngaon ta. Hot, hot. Yabe, init na ba? Ayaw pakain to. Masarap dito pag winter te.
Winter o nga, no? Pero masarap din ito maangas sa mainit. Oo. Sige. Hindi ko makain. Mainit na init. Ito ate, oh. Lagyan mo dito.
Lagyan mo ng yelo yan, te. Lagay ko ngayong yelo dito para ano.
Baliw ka, hindi
Tumamig-lamig.
masarap yan.
Lagay mo, te. Init eh. Ako'y gutom na. Ilagyan ko ng yelo yung sa akin, guys, para... Ayan, oh. Ilagyan ko ng yelo. Para mabawas-bawasan ang init ba? Grabe pag kayo nagkainit, hindi magpakaon ba? Big boy lang ang galaw-gaw dito. Oh. Guys, pagkatapos namin mag-ano guys, mag-boxing tong dalawa kong nakain kami dito sa Indian restaurant. Ay, Nepal ata to. Grabe ng pili-pili niya pagkaon, oh.
From Shreyas and Shabita.
They're from India. One butter and grandmother live in India. India's far.
Ayan guys, dumating na yung unang serve ng chicken. Pwede rin.
It's spicy.
No, it's not. It's tandoori chicken.
Oh,
Tandoori chicken.
but it's hot.
Wow. Ano pala yun?
Special salad.
Parang di salad, oh.
Special salad nga yan, Luis, eh.
Galing, no? Samosa.
Yan, ang paborito ng aking asawa. Ay, ano ka rin pala na?
I like some ketchup.
Ang paborito ni Ted.
Ketchup is my favorite. Ketchup is my favorite.
Ang kanyang paborito.
This is ketchup.
Nita, what is your favorite?
I love red.
Well, isa dito ketchup. Oh, may na.
Okay na ba? Wala na ba? Okay na to lahat?
Yung set ni Angel.
I hate this.
Set na lang yan.
Yan, kain na tayo guys. Okay na mga picture na? Okay na, kain na tayo?
Oh my gosh.
Wala ko Angel.
I've never seen that.
Ha?
Shake. You have to.
Nauna pang uminom ang
Delicious.
hindi nag-order.
I love mango.
You like mango?
Yeah.
Anytime, Mommy.
Mommy, I love mango.
Mommy, can you have mango juice?
Mommy, can I have
Okay.
mango juice?
Okay.
Yeah. What's this? It's another new kitchen. It's a new.
Ito guys yung pagkatapos ng boxing. After boxing. Special salad.
Kapalanak.
Cheese na.
Korean. So, yan
Ito, anong ay, set yan siya na eh.
Sarap yan.
Kay baby na lang ang kulang, no? Tingnan niya.
Okay.
Juice.
Ba, laki ng bread ng Hawig Boy, oh. Nang nan niya, oh. Laki ng nan.
Okay, let's...
Oh my goodness.
Make